If you're a small business owner, subscribe to this channel. I am a 12-year vendor, and this channel is going to tell you a lot of things about vending and have been a small business and how to survive in this business. And this also channel is also for writers and storytelling and things like that. But this particular video is for vendors. So, like I said previously, I've been doing this several years, and it's interesting. It seems like the last year, maybe 2 years, it's been a little rough, and I don't know. I love what I do, but I was looking at my setup vending recently, and I started thinking back to some of my better times and thinking about just thinking about the things that I did before that I no longer do. And then I realized that I've gotten content and comfortable with my setup and with my inventory and things like that, and that after doing this for so long, you start to get more relaxed and a little bit lazy, and you start having I guess expectations because you've been doing it for so long. So I'm saying this to you as a business owner. You really can't avoid that. At some point, you're gonna get used to it. But every now and then, you have to revamp and relook at what you're doing, and try to keep the energy alive. I really have gotten to the point where my energy is just, I'm just working. I'm not having fun like I used to, and it comes across, and that's why I believe that I am not making the money that I was making, and why I'm just going through the motions. So I just want to say to any business owner, vendor that has longevity in this, sometimes you have to sit back, reevaluate, see what you can. I know that what's been working for you has been working, but you got to understand, there's new people out there. There's a whole new energy out there, and I'm telling myself this as well. You have to upgrade your energy and revamp and renew yourself as far as setup and different things that you're gonna do. And so I was just really paying attention to that for myself, and I thought I would make a video about it. Please share this video to any aspiring business owners or anybody that's running the business right now that may be feeling like it's not working out. I mean, one thing that definitely needs to be done is tweaking what you're doing. Sometimes the simplest changing a tablecloth can help. You know what I'm saying? Maybe playing a little music or whatever. So I'm D Revolution. Like and subscribe to this channel. Peace. You guys have a good day.